Good morning, this is Federico Bentley from Ayondo Markets giving you this morning's market update. This morning we turn our attention to European markets as the UK 100 is trading 37 points below, the France 40 rolling is 64 points lower, and the Germany 30 rolling is down over 100 points. Britain's blue chip had its worst first day of trading of a new year since 2000, yesterday seeing £38 billion wiped off, eventually closing down 2.5% at 6,093.43. The German DAX index fell more than 4%, while France 40 rolling index was 2.6% lower. Now looking at the commodity sector, oil prices edged higher today as investors pondered the long-run implications of the rift between Saudi Arabia and Iran. Yesterday, rising geopolitical tension in the Middle East sent crude oil prices up briefly by 4% before they fell back to around $37 a barrel. Now for some corporate news, Trendit, the first firm to list in London this year, made a strong debut yesterday despite the China rout that sent stocks plummeting worldwide. Next, posted sales price growth of 0.4% in the fourth quarter and attributed the disappointing performance to unusually warm weather. Smith and Nephew has completed its acquisition of surgical robotics business Bluebelt Technology. Now, the US Environment Protection Agency, known as EPA, has filed a lawsuit with a court in Detroit over clean air violations which could cost billions of dollars. Documents filed with the court in Detroit yesterday allege Volkswagen and its subsidiaries violated clean air laws by selling vehicles that weren't as described to the EPA. Reuters reported that Volkswagen could be hit with a fine of $37,500, equated to £25,000 and $493 per vehicle, or as much as $90 billion in total. Now for some key data and focus we have today. Starting now at 9:30 we have the UK consumer confidence, followed by the UK public sector finances. And at 1:30 over in the US we have the GDP, gross domestic product. And again over in the US at 3 p.m. we have the US house price index, followed by the US existing home sales. That's all for today's news, so thank you very much for listening and all the best on your day's trading.